Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'll show you how we can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. So to get started, hold the power key, select power off, and when the phone turns off you want to hold power and volume down. This will take us to boot mode, which also might be considered a fastboot mode. As you can see right here, though, there is another fastboot mode if we navigate to recovery mode using volume keys. Confirm it with power key. Give it a moment, we'll see Android with no command, which once you do, you want to hold power key and press volume up. This will take us to the recovery mode, and in here again using volume keys you can select fastboot mode or enter fastboot, confirm it with power. As you can see, this would be also a fastboot mode, just in a different location. And in here, just as before, you can navigate using volume keys and confirm selections with power key. And in here you can find Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Enter recovery mode, which would take us a step back. Enter or reboot to bootloader, which would take us to the first page after turning off the device, which is also considered a bootloader, as well as I believe fastboot mode. And the last option is simple power off. So there's not much more to show, so I'm gonna select Reboot System Now, confirm it with power, and this will take me back to Android.
Hello, Moto.
And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.